If your homeschool days look like a pile of books and sticky notes, you're an organizer in disguise. If your plans change every week, you're not alone. And if you want a smoother journey, you're in the right place. Homeschooling can be a beautiful adventure, but let's be honest, keeping lessons organized isn't always easy. That's exactly why we created a free homeschool unit study planner PDF, designed to make your life simpler and stress-free. Whether you're teaching one child or juggling many, our planner brings everything: subjects, activities, books, goals, together in one easy-to-use, printable format. No more missed lessons or scattered notes. It's perfect for new homeschoolers, unit study fans, or anyone who loves a bit of structure with plenty of flexibility. Get weekly planners, book trackers, a goals section, and space for your reflections, all free. Ready to make your homeschool days smoother? Just click, download, print, and see the difference. Grab your free planner now and unlock stress-free homeschooling.